In addition to 3D spatial information, point clouds can be augmented with additional data. Depending on the scanning method and the data available, characteristics such as reflectance, RGB color, surface normal direction, and others can be attached to each point. With this extra data, downstream processing tasks can take advantage of features that may not be visible in just the 3D surface structure of an object alone. The point cloud is to the 3D scanner what the image is to the camera. Understanding what a point cloud is and how it is structured is fundamental to working with 3D scan data. If you have any comments or questions, please drop a line in the comment section below. Thanks, it's been great having you here.